So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the issue if you are not able to see the gallery images on your Instagram. For example, if you start posting anything on Instagram, if you hit plus icon, you're not able to see anything right there. Now in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply open the settings. In the settings, simply go to the apps section on the below of the screen, hit apps and find Instagram over there. You just simply need to find Instagram, and there we go. Here it is. Just simply open Instagram settings, and here you'll see this option that says photos, that has full access currently, but if in your case it has been set to none. Now in order to fix that, just simply give full access to the gallery, and here it says the full access and photos may contain data associated to location, depth and information. Give all the permission, and now you'll easily able to get the gallery images on your Instagram. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.